Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to see your YouTube recaps. So in this, I will guide you one of the easiest and step-by-step process to see the YouTube recaps. So let's get start our video. First of all, open your YouTube application on your mobile device and make sure that you will be logged in through your account. So now you can see you are in home page. So at the top, at the left side, you can see one icon as a discover icon, so which will look like a compass. So tap on that icon. So now you can see your personalized recaps and all. If you want to go as courses, so now you can see at the courses recap. So you can see all that courses related and all. So if you want to go see like a gaming and all, so you can see your gaming option is there. So tap on that. So you can see, so in this way you can see the different recaps and all on your YouTube. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.